How to fix ADP mobile app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, ADP, and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of Open or Update. If you see the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. After completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now heading towards next solution, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed in a device. Head towards the app ADP. After you find it, open it, click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app, then click on Reinstall app. Once you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app, click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app ADP. Once app appears, download it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix ADP mobile app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.